I transitioned from the military to a roofing contractor was kind of an accident, just to be 100% honest. I got out the military, I'd already had a background in construction. The only reason I even left construction, I was in a small town, dealing with normal small town stuff, and really just needed to get out of there. So I went through a few career changes after that. I really started learning sales, how to apply myself, how to interact with customers. I got a pretty good start with Dish Network on that. Honestly, you're inside people's homes, you learn how to interact with them, you learn how to see what their needs are, and really how to prepare your job site to help them the most based on their needs.
Everything was done when he said it was going to be done, and it was done the way I thought it should have been done.
We've spent countless hours in the office, at home, in the field. We've just grinded constantly, and even when we think we're off work, we'll still talk about it.
It's just like everybody's always family. Everybody can talk to each other about anything, so just family is about the best way I can explain that one.
Besides such a good company, co-workers, siblings, husband, wives, it's just a big family, and getting to enjoy it every day, it seems like you get to do life with them every day.
I'd say working with family, one, it takes a lot of maturity. It takes a lot of putting your ego to the side. It takes a lot of patience, it takes a lot of understanding, and it takes a lot of love and forgiveness.
We'll work hard, but we also like to have a good time and have fun and goof off. It's been pretty great working with my family.
You know, I'm probably gonna go work for the man. May as well go work for my man. Help him, you know, any way I could.
I'm a brother-in-law in this family. Family dynamics here is really good. All the family members that work here really stand behind each other when it comes to business. Any external problems or issues, they stay external. Nothing is brought into the business.
Working with family just kind of came from, I wanted people I could trust.
It really adds another layer of care because it is somebody you love. It is your sister, brother, mother. It just takes a little more effort, I think. While we're a family, we get to experience each other on a regular basis, which I think really adds to the joy of working here. I think we're advanced in what we're doing. I think we're setting the bar. The culture that we've created is what I'm most proud of. We started out from the bottom, from the grassroots. We've really spread our wings, brought people in who we care about, who care about this company. I think it has really enriched the culture that we have.
You know, you just gotta figure out how you would want to be treated. I think if you always ask, how would I respond to this before words come out of your mouth, you're gonna find that goes a little bit better. But yeah, we butt heads at home sometimes, because when she says we talk about work all the time, I don't even think we got through our Valentine's Day dinner without discussing operational standpoints of the company.
Trying to have a romantic night, just like so.
It doesn't work. That's about it.